Welcome back, 818 Hikes. Here we are today at the Hondo Canyon Backbone Trail. It's a Saddle Peak Road. It's a good one. That's Saya.
Hi.
She's my hiking buddy today. Her first time here in Hondo. It's gonna be good. When you first get here, got a full-blown water crossing. Right. You can do it. All right, let's do this. Have a good time. All right, we're let's see, about 35 minutes in. Check out this like shaded awesomeness. It's shaded, so in the summer, you know, this trail is like nice and cool. It's a little muddy, which is fine. There's some wet spots, dry spots, sunny spots, and definitely poison oak spots. Look at all that poison oak, just everywhere. This is the poison oak forest. Hondo Canyon in Topanga. It's a good hike. It's a little uphill, but you know what? Let's get your blood flow going, get a little exercise. Nothing wrong with any of that. Just a whole forest. Enchantment. Hey guys, just had to stop for a second and I want to show you something. It's pretty cool. Look at this trail. It's like side of a mountain, just in the grass with like this amazing view. There's Saya. She's having a great time up here.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Lucky to live here.
Lucky to live here. Old Topanga Canyon here. Trail's just shaded. Just miles of this. Just thought you might want to see how badass this is. Actually, since it rained, there's a lot of traction. No dust.
I don't see how anybody can fight this shit. I guess someone does though.
Yeah, they do.
Oh yeah, look, tire tracks right here.
Yeah, see? All right, Hondo Canyon. It's been a good one. We're pretty much at the top right now. Let's see. Yeah, here we go. There's a sign. What's it say here?
Hondo.
3.6 miles. We just nailed it. Kicked its ass. And then if you keep going up here, there's another place to park, I guess, if you're coming from the top. Right here is the highway. If you go down, there's that funny tower at the top of Stunt Road. And then right here, backcountry trail sign. All right, what a great day at the Hondo Canyon Trail. We're approaching the last few steps here, and I gotta say, this is one of my favorite hikes, Santa Monica Mountains. It's just beautiful. The trees, the view, the rocks, all of it. There's our creek. Really nice having you along.
Likewise.
Clocking in at 7.17 miles.
We are done.
Well done, everybody. Thanks again. See you in the next one.